great. Throw that in.
Ladies and gentlemen, we direct your attention, as if it wasn't already here, to our podium for the awards in our Red Bull US. Presenting the awards for third position, Mr. Jeremy Barnes, Director of Communications for Mazda North American Operations, Mr. Jeremy Barnes. Winner here today from the Fiat Yamaha team, Jorge Lorenzo. Our runner-up also from the Fiat Yamaha team, Valentino Rossi. To present the award to the winner of the Mazda Red Bull US Grand Prix here at Mazda Raceway Laguna Seca, Mr. Elio Arcangeli, President of Yamaha Motorsports, and our winner, Dani Pedrosa.